If you're watching this, then you're probably in a spot where you're doing all the right things and still not seeing the results you expected. You lift, you try to eat well, you stay aware, and yet something is still off. Your progress doesn't match your effort. Maybe you're consistent in the gym, but the weights haven't moved in months. Maybe you're eating pretty good, but your body still looks the same. Maybe you'll have 3 solid days and then one stressful day blows a whole week apart. This video is exactly for that. The 3 most common sabotages that I find get in the way of progress, the patterns that sabotage people who actually care about their goals and are putting in real effort, but not getting a real return. Let's get into it. Sabotage number 1, inconsistency or an all or nothing mindset. Let's start with the hard truth. Most people are far less consistent than they believe. Not because they don't care, but because their mindset sabotages them before their habits ever have a chance. And this is where the all or nothing mindset quietly destroys people. 3 good days leads to 1 stressful moment, which leads to a whole week of collapse. 1 missed workout, oh, I'll start Monday. 1 imperfect meal leads to day ruined. This isn't a lack of discipline problem, it's a pattern problem. Inconsistency almost always comes from identity and all or nothing thinking working together. If your internal script sounds like,
I always fall off. I'm good until life gets busy. I restart every week.
Then your behavior will follow that script no matter how badly you want results. According to researchers at Stanford, identity-based behavior change is far more effective than habit-based change because your brain chooses actions that match who you believe you are. If your identity is unstable, your consistency will be unstable. And nothing kills consistency faster than perfectionism disguised as standards. Consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about recovering faster. It's about choosing the next best option instead of spiraling into a full reset. If this hits home, then type consistency in the comments so I know to create more for you on this. Your action plan to improve your consistency. Write 1 identity direction sentence tonight. I'm becoming someone who follows through even on chaotic days. Use the next best decision rule. Not the whole day, just the next choice. Add 1 micro anchor daily, 5-minute warm up, 2-minute breath work, a 10-minute walk. Use the never miss twice rule. Slip once, correct immediately. Consistency drives results. Perfectionism destroys them. Sabotage 2, lack of progress and tracking. Now that we've addressed the mindset layer, let's get into the mechanical layer. If progress is slow, this is usually why. Progress and tracking are the same conversation. You cannot improve what you do not measure, and your body won't adapt to a stimulus you never define. And here's the part nobody wants to admit. The human brain is a terrible witness. According to the New England Journal of Medicine, people underestimate calorie intake by 30 to 45%. According to the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, most lifters overestimate training intensity by 2 to 3 RPE levels. And according to the American Journal of Epidemiology, people underestimate daily sitting time by literal hours. So when someone says, yeah, I feel like I'm pushing myself, the research says, yeah, probably not. Not enough, not consistently, not in a way your body can adapt to. Tracking is clarity. The moment you record your sets, reps, and load, you create a baseline. And once you have a baseline, you have something to beat. That's what drives progress. Your movement matters here too. According to JAMA, averaging 7,000 to 8,000 steps per day improves metabolic health, hunger regulation, and insulin sensitivity. And according to the University of Pittsburgh, people who log their food consistently lose 9 times more fat in 12 weeks. Because awareness sharpens decision making. If this hits home, type progress in the comments so I know to make more content for you. Your action plan here to help track and improve your progress. Track 1 training metric this week. Weight, reps, or RPE. Track your steps for 7 days. See your baseline. Log food for 2 to 3 days, not to restrict, to get honest. Next week, increase 1 variable in your training, 1 extra rep, 5 extra pounds, or cleaner execution. Progress returns the moment clarity begins. And sabotage number 3, poor recovery habits. And finally, the sabotage nobody thinks is a problem, but absolutely is. If your energy is trash, your mood is unstable, your cravings spike at night, you feel inflamed, or workouts feel way harder than usual, your issue is recovery. not motivation. According to the Annals of Internal Medicine, sleeping under 7 hours reduces fat loss by 55%, even when calories stay the same. Sleep deprivation also spikes ghrelin, drops leptin, elevates cortisol, reduces glucose tolerance, and decreases strength output. Your body does not care about your goals when you're under-recovered. It cares about survival. And recovery isn't simply taking the day off. Recovery is something you have to train. Your nervous system has to be conditioned through actual physical actions. Deep breathing, controlled nasal breathing, slow walking, mobility work, active recovery sessions, soft tissue work, meditation, stretching, dialing down screen exposure at night, and consistent protein intake. According to research on muscle protein synthesis, hitting 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight dramatically improves repair, appetite control, and performance. You can want elite results, but if recovery is a joke, your results will be too. If this is you, type recovery in the comments so I know to go deeper on the nervous system and lifestyle side of training. And your action plan to improve your recovery: set a bedtime window tonight and honor it. Put protein in every meal for the next 5 days. Add 5 minutes of deep breathing or slow walk after your workout. Schedule 1 active recovery day this week. Walking, mobility, stretching, not just collapsing on the couch. Train your recovery the same way you train your lifts. These 3 sabotages, inconsistency, lack of progression, and poor recovery, are exactly why progress feels harder than it should. The moment you fix these, your results stop being random and start being predictable. If you want to get consistent for real, go watch my video on how to stay consistent next. It connects directly to everything we just covered and goes deeper. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share this with someone who keeps saying they're trying, but is stuck in the exact same loops. And don't forget to comment which sabotage you connect with most: consistency, progression, or recovery, so I know what content to make for you that will help you the most.